श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्त जन कल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं। हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकम् हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनक्क हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा कोमलं कूजनं वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम। सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकाया त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्या सहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेलिरतमतिशुभगं पश्य गोपालकृष्णम्। आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशं ज्वलितमकरसत् कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दार्द्रं कौस्तुभश्रीपरिगतवनमालोरु हाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलं चारुस्निग्धोरुमम्भोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनम् गोविन्दा गोविन्दा मोक्षाब्धिसारमय भागवताख्यदग्ध नारायणीय नवनीतमोहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघपरितप्त जनाय योगा नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। गंगा गीता च गायत्र्यपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्य यत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसाद प्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिदधुरुषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः। हरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द गोविन्द। श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायूरप्पने शरणम् आनन्द चिन्मयने शरणं चोटानिकर भगवती अम्मये शरणं नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayanian session. So we have to do today 70th Dashakam and see the meaning of 69th Dashakam. So 69th Dashakam, I hope you have revisited the YouTube to see the tune and also the audio. Probably you have chanted and practiced. I'll give the choice. Do you want to see the meaning first or learn the new Dashakam first and then come back to the meaning?
Learn the meaning first, Varshaji.
The meaning
Meaning
first.
first,
Actually,
Meaning.
first.
Okay, then let's go with the meaning. Today are the kids there? They might not be there, is what they have said. Okay, the kids are not there.
Prahlad will come in time, Varshaji.
Sorry?
Prahlad will join in some time. He's not come back as yet.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Then, no problem. For 70th Dashakam. Okay, so now we are seeing the meaning in the 69th Dashakam. Rasa Krida Varnanam is happening over here. Kusuma Manjari Chandas. Very beautiful description of the entire Rasa Leela. So we can visualize with our imaginations whatever is possible. We can visualize ourselves also. We can develop that devotion. We can develop that bhav in us and just enjoy. And the scene is getting recreated. So let's recreate that and just delve into that bliss. So, Kesha Pasha Dhrita Pinchika. So, Kesha Pasha, we understand the curly hairs of the Lord, the beautiful hair. In that, Dhrita Pinchika. Pinchika is our peacock feather. Pinchika is a feather. So, in that hair, he has held one Pinchika. And how the hair is? It is like a vitati. It is like a nice lock, a nice curl of hair. In that, this pinchika is held. And then what else is happening? See the last description. Sanchalan. Chalan, the movement. The movement of what? Makara kundalam. His earrings are moving very nicely. Then, Hara, Jala, Vanamalika Lalitam. Haras are the necklaces of so many necklaces of that Hara Jala. And also Vanamalika. Vanamalika is the flowers of the forest of that mala. And how it is? Lalita. It's very beautiful. And then how it is? Anga, Raga, Ghana, Saurabham. Saurabha is a fragrance. So Angaraga, on him, he has applied some nice fragrances like sandalwood. Now see. Then, whatever his description is going on. Pita Chela. Chela is Vastaram. Pita, yellow color Vastaram he is holding. Dhrita means he is wearing, like how the Kesha Pasha, it's Dhrita Pinchika, like the Chita Pela Dhrita. And how? Kanchika, Kanchita. Sorry. So, Kanchita Mudancha. So, he is having one Itavastaram, but he is having one Kanchana is a golden. Golden, like how we have a Kamarpatta, no? The waist band. So he is having something like that, one waistband of gold. He has Anchita, he has worn that. And Udanchat Aushu Mani Nupura. Nupura is the anklet. And it is of some monies, the gems. And that gem anklet is giving Udancha Danshu. From that Anshu, the rays Udanchat are rising. So his gem-studded anklet is radiating. That light of that gems is like one rays that is coming out of the anklets. And in that, Rasakeli paribhushitam tavahi rupamisha kalayamahe. So kalayamahe is, we are meditating on this form of yours, which is Rasakeli paribhushitam, which he has dressed up like this for the Rasa Leela. And Tavahi Roop, this Roop is so very well known that you have come like this. And on this, let us meditate on. केशपाशधृतपिञ्छिका वितति सञ्चलन् मकरकुण्डलम् हारजालवनमालिकाललितमङ्गरागघनसौरभम् पीतचेलधृतकाञ्चिकाञ्चितमुदञ्चदंशुमणिनूपुरम् रासकेलिपरिभूषितं तव हि रूपमीश कलयामहे. तव हि रूपम ईश, ओ भगवाने, ओ ईश्वरा, ओ लॉर्ड, तव हि रूपम, योर दिस रूपा, kalayamahe, may we meditate upon. And then that description of all the other 3.5 padas are describing on what form of Lord we are meditating. The form of Lord which he has held for the Rasavel. Next one. Then Tavadeva. So that time, what has happened at that very time? Kruta Mandane. Mandana is an jewel. Kruta Mandane means decked with jewelry. Okay. Then in that, Kalita Kanchulika Kuchamandale. So, Kanchuli, we saw this word Kanchulika, blouse. Huh? So, Kalita Kanchulika has put on the blouse. Kuchamandale on the breast means the upper body is covered. Okay. And in that, means this is the description of the gopis coming. Bhagwan's description is over. Let us meditate. Now, gopis are coming, their description is coming. And then how they are coming? Ganda, Lola, Mani Kundala. So, Ganda Lola. Ganda is this portion on the cheek. Lola, dangling. What? Mani Kundalas. Lord's is Makara Kundala. Over here it is Mani Kundala. Again, gem-studded earrings are dangling from the ear, but it is reflecting on the cheek. It is touching the cheek. So big earrings. Then Yuvati Mandale, over here it has coming. So all the Yuvati Mandalas, all the Gopikas have decorated themselves with different ornaments. And they have covered their body with the upper nice cloth and with all this earring dangling from their ear. They are doing Atha Parimandale. Around the Lord, they are going in rounds. They have surrounded the Lord. Parimandala is to surround, is to going in circles. Now, then what is Lord doing now? See, Indira Ramana. Indira Ramana Lakshmi. Where is that word? Third line in the middle. Yugalam Indira Ramana Sancharan. Indira Ramana is Sancharan. Lord is moving. Sancharan, moving. How? Sakala Sundari Yugalam Antara. All these Sundaris are there, right? So between two, Yugala, Antara. So Lord is moving between the two. All the Gopikas have surrounded and Lord is moving around between the two gopis, two gopis. He is also circling. Okay. And that time what is happening? Manjula. Manjula is very beautiful. What? Rasakeli. Rasakeli is the Rasa dance. Kanjanabha. So again, Lord has been addressed by Kanjanabha. That means Kanja is the lotus, lotus Nabha. Padmanabha we have no way, like that Kanjanabha. Samupadadaha. So you have Samupadadaha, you did what? Rasakeli. you have done your Rasa Leela. You were dancing like this, Sancharan between Sakkala Sundari Yugalam Antara, between the two gopis. You are going and you are also moving in that circles. तावदेव कृतमण्डने कलितकञ्चुलीककुचमण्डले गण्डलोलमणिकुण्डले युवतिमण्डलेऽथ परिमण्डले अन्तरासकलसुन्दरि युगलमिन्दिरारमणसञ्चरन् मञ्जुलां तदनुरासकेलिमयि कञ्जनाभसमुपादधाः. Let's go to the third one. Now what happens? Vasudeva, Lord has been addressed like that. Vasudeva, Tava, Hasamanam Iha. You are shining over here. You are going like that over here. In what? Rasakeli Rasa Saurabham. In that rasa dance, you are shining. You are so very resplendent. Bhasamaniya. Over here, you are looking awesome. There is a divine beauty that has been displayed now, and that display over here, Bhasamaniya, but durata, but far away. This Narada Gaditam Akalaya Kutukala. Naraji is so far away. What is he? Naraji, it is described far away by Naraji that see what is happening out over here. And because he is describing like that, see the last word, this Suramandali is there, no? Last word, Suramandali. So all the Suras, all the gods, he has gone and now announced over there. So now all these gods have come. How? Vegataha. Immediately they have come. And how? Vesha Bhushana Vilasa Peshala Vilasini Satta Samavruta. They have not come alone. Shata Samavrutaha Vilasi. They have come along with their other women also of there. How nicely they have also dressed up, because seeing this description from the heavens also, they have dressed up nice. Vesha Bhushana, they have dressed up very nice. And so many Shata Vilasini means hundreds of women also. They have also dressed up. And then see the first word of the fourth line, Nakataha. Naka we know is Swarga. From that Swarga, this Yugapadagata all together, Yugapad means all together. And immediately Yugapad, they have come Agata, and they are also witnessing this display of what's Lord, complete form of divine. They are watching that from top, not alone. They have also dressed up and they are also enjoying. So this is beautiful darshan of Lord that is happening, a very unique Leela that is happening, and they also can't help and prevent themselves from enjoying on the earth. This is happening on the Yamuna Tira. Vasudeva tava bhasamana iharasa kelirasa saurabham दूरतोऽपि खलु नारदागदितमाकलय्य कुतुकाकुला वेशभूषणविलासपेशलविलासिनी शतसमावृता नाकतो युगपदागता वियतिवेगतोऽथ सुरमण्डली. Immediately they have come. Let's go to the next one. Now what happens? Venunada Kruta. Venunada, lute. He's playing. And how it is? Kruta, Tana, Dana, Tana, Dana. Then Kala, Gana, Raga. And then how it is? Gati, Yojana. And then how it is? Lobhaniya. And how? Mrudu Pada Pata Kruta. What Tala Melana Manoharam. So, this flute of Lord is Tanagana, so many different Tan and Gana, so much different ragas that he is playing. And then this Mrudupada, very light feet, very tender feet. With that, he's doing Tala Melana also. So he's tapping with his feet also, giving the tal also, and the whole atmosphere is charged with his melodious flute, which is churning out different songs and different ragas and different music that is coming. Just imagine a moonlight, just imagine one river now, Yamuna River. It's night with the Lord, all dressed up. The atmosphere is with the music. These days, kids will understand one DJ in the night. In the daytime, nobody is interested. They will understand in the night and how they would enjoy and dance to the glory. Now, you imagine the same thing if the Lord is only the DJ and he's dressed. Okay, so if any kids are there, if you're thinking what is big into this, bigger than the regular DJ. After DJ, you will feel tired. With this, with the Lord's thing, you are energized, you are in bliss, and you have lost completely with. Then what happens? Pani. Pani is hand. Sankwanita. Sankwanita is the sound of what? Kankana. So bangles are making sound. Pani Sankwanita. And then Muhu Aumsa Lambita Karambuja. Aumsa is the shoulder. And his Karambuja, his lotus-like hand, he is placing on some Gopika's shoulder in between. He's playing the flute also. And somebody he is holding also on the shoulder. And then Shroni Bimba Chaladambaram. And now the movement is happening, right? Shroni is the pelvic region. So from that, Chalad Ambaram, the cloth, whatever the garment is. So in that movement, the movement of the cloth on the hips, that is also moving. Just imagine one nice ghagra or something, if you ever and you swing in the dance, how the dress moves. Imagine like that. And that cloth is moving on the shroni, on the pelvis. And in that, this Rasa Keli Rasa Dambaram, the peak, it is like this royal dance that is now happening. And in that second last word is Bhajata. May all of you worship on this form of the Lord. Like that, it is saying. Venunada krita tana dana kalagana ragagati yojana lobhaniya mrudu pada pata krita tala melana manoharam pani sankwanita kankanancha muhuram salampita Karambujam Shroni Bimba Chaladambaram Bhajata Rasa Keli Rasadambaram. Next. Spardhaya. Spardhaya means as if there is a competition only. In what? Virachita Anugana Krita Tara Mrudhuraswara. Tara is very loudly. As if there is a competition, these gopikas are beginning to sing now in a very loud voice. As if, but not loud voice means somehow Madhuraswara they have said. In a melodious but a loud voice. Tara is a very loudly. They are as if performing one spardhaya, as if there is in a competition. They are also singing. And the song that they are reeling is also very sweet to hear on the ears, Madhuraswara. And with that also what they are doing? They are Nartane also. So they are dancing also. How? Lalitanga Hara. Okay. Lalita is a beautiful. Lalitanga Hara. Their angas are moving very beautiful. So as they are singing, the body movement is also beautiful. And Lulitanga Hara. So now Lulita is moving. So when you are dancing, the malas and all are going to move, right? So the limbs are moving, along with them, their ornaments are also moving. And how are those ornaments? Which are studded with the gems. So one side, the cloth on the Shroni we saw is moving. Other side, the hands are moving. And now the ornaments, the har, along with the limbs, everything is moving in a nice rhythm. And they are not in their place where it should be. The cloth is also not in that place, neither the har is in the place, but the dance is happening. So now what is happening? Sammadena. Mada is already excess joy. Sammadena means it is beyond the excess, such a joy. What has happened? Krita pushpa varsham alam. Unmishat Divishadam Kulam. Divishada Kula is the Kulas of the god. So what they have done? Kruta Pushpa Varsha. They started showering the flowers on this beautiful site. And how? Alam. Un Unnimishat. Nimi is close. Unnimi is open eyes. Eyes wide open. Gods are seeing from the sky. They don't want to miss. They are not even blinking this sight, what they are seeing. With eyes wide open, gods all they are saying from the Swarga, they are showering the flowers. And how? Chin and Vishankara. See the last word. Savadhu Kulam. With all their wives and the women folk also over there, they are gathered over there. And how? How is it? Chinmayi, Tvai. You. You are Chinmay. Very Chinmay, pure consciousness, we can translate. Chinmay. Niliyamanamiva sammumoha. Everybody is completely merged in this supreme consciousness and they are sammumoha. They are moha. They are one moha is delusion, we know. But over here, sammu moha is like they have lost themselves completely. That means in trance there. That is the situation. And gods are watching from top with the eyes wide open and showering the flowers. स्पर्धया विरचितानुगानकृततारतारमधुरस्वरे नर्तनेऽथ ललिताङ्गहारलुलिताङ्गहारमणिभूषणे सम्मदेन कृतपुष्पवर्षमलमुन्मिष दिविशदाङ्कुलम् चिन्मये त्वयि निलीयमानमिव Sammumohasavadhukulam Chinmaye Tvai Niliyamanamiva. As they are emerged in you, O Chinmaye. Tvai, in you, Chinmaye, in your pure, as though they have completely merged in. Next. Swinna Sanna. Swinna is sweating, already sweat. And Sanna is exhausted. And how? Tanu Vallari. Tanu Vallari. The body is like a creeper, means slender, slim bodies of these gopis, already sweating and exhausted. Then Tadanu Kapi Nama Pashupangana. So there in that, one Pashupangana, one Gopika, what she did, Kantam Aumsam Avalambate Sma. So, she on the Lord's Amsa, on the shoulder, she is resting. So, she's just fallen on the Lord's shoulder. In that one Gopika, she did. And Avalambate means she has taken the support of Lord's Amsa and she is leaning on him. And then, Sma Tanti Bharam Akule. As if that Tanti Bhara is the Shranti Bhara. Shranti Bhara is like the weight of exhaustion. And Mukulekshana is, she's almost closed her eyes. Her eyes are half open, like a bud. So, She has almost closed the eyes. She's exhausted, and as though she is resting, and she's taken the support of whom? Of the Lord only, on him only she is leaning. That time one Gopika did like that. And then Kachit, Achalita Kuntala. Then Kachit is another one. Achalita Kuntala. Kuntala, Kuntali, we know now. The curl of the head. Achalita. The hair is not in the place. Completely out of place hair. What she has done? Navapatira Sara Ghana Saurabham. Navapatira Sara. No, we'd have to go to the next line also. Then, Vanchanena Tava Sa Chuchumba Bhujam Anchitaha Anchitor Pulakankura. So, what she has done, she has got this Anchita Uru, one very big desire, and she's got this Pulakankura is goosebumps. She's got that because she has held the Lord's hand and stole a kiss. She kissed the Lord. But Vanchanena sa chuchumba. Not direct, Vanchanena. Like as though she is going to rest or holding the Lord, but quietly went and kissed the Lord's where? Bhuja. And because she had got this chance to kiss the Lord's arm, Pulakankura. And how she got? Because of that fresh sandalwood paste smell is coming, right? Lord has adorned that. Navapatira Sara, as if it's a new, fresh Sara Ghana Saurabham, that fragrance. When she has neared, she got that, and she, with the deceit, she has kissed the Lord on his arm. This is one. Other one is leaning on him. The other one is trying to kiss his arms. We'll see now what all Gopikas are doing. Swinna sanna tanu vallari tadanu kapi nama pashupangana kantamam samavalambate smatavaptanti bharamukulekshana काचिदाचलितकुन्तला नवपटीरसारघनसौरभं वञ्चनेन तव सञ्चचुं बभुजमञ्चितोरुपुलकाङ्कुरा Vanchanena tava sanchuchumba. Okay, I've said it correct. I thought something different I said. Let's go to the next one. Then Kapi. Now another, Now what she has done? Gandabhuvi. Gandabhuvi is, Ganda we saw this word. So on the cheek. Sannidhaya. Resting herself or holding there. Nija Gandam. Her Ganda, her cheek, she is resting on Lord's cheek. And means she's just pressing over there with her cheek to the Lord's cheek. And Akulita Kundalam. And that earring also is pressed along with that. And then Punya Pura Nidhi. We will say no. If somebody calls us some not so very good name, let's say, okay, you are a liar. तुम तो हरिश्चंद्र के अवतारी हो ना. Like that we will say, no, oh, you are a truth incarnate, or like that we will say no. So over here, like that for her, Punya Pura Nidhi. She is as though very nice. She is an incarnate of Punya Pura Nidhi. She is having all good qualities. She is having all great, what to say, thus ke bhare hain, che gun. She thinks of herself like this, but what she has done is she has gone and touched her cheek to the Lord's cheek, pressing her earring and all over there, and not over there quiet. That Puga Charvitam Rasamruta. Lord is chewing the pan, right? The betel leaf. And that Puga Charvita rasa, that saliva, that rasa that is coming out, she has taken that also. Slowly, she is putting the cheek and she has taken it. Okay, this is what, and that's why she is called as Punya Puranidhi. So means is Punya Puranidhi what doing this? Okay, this is one. Another what happens? Indira Bhirati Mandiram. So Indira Bhirati Mandiram is he is Lakshmi's, no? And that who is Lakshmi's and who is Bhuvana Sundara of means of all the universe, he is the Sundara. Natanantare, in between the dances, Tvam avapya, having got you, our Lyabantavya, Tvam avapya, having got you like this, Dadhuhu angana kimu na. So, kimu na sammadonmada dashantara. Sammada, sammadonnada. Unmada is like they got berserk. And they did what not in this dasha. Kimuna daduhu. What all they didn't do and what all they didn't get by doing all this. So in that trance, means they're just having got the Lord who is Lakshmi's and now he is over there. So avapya tva, the anganaha, all the gopis, kimuna daduhu, because they were all unmada dashantara. They were intoxicated by bliss, by the presence of Lord. Kapi ganda bhuvi sannidhaya nija ganda makulita kundalam punya pura nidhiranva vapatava puga charvitara samritam Indirabhirati mandiram Bhuvana sundaram hi natanantare Tvamavapya dadhurangana Kimuna sammadonmadadashantaram. Okay, let's go to the next. Then, Ganam Isha, Isha, oh Lord, Ganam Viratam. Kramena, slowly, the Ganam was stopping. Slowly, that's it. All the song, singing and all was stopping. And then Vadya Melanam, also Uparatam. All the musical instrument, Vadya Melas, all what was happening, all that also Uparatam. That also became quiet, silent. Then Brahma Sammada Rasakulaha. In that Brahma Sammada Rasakula, the gopis are now in the Brahma Sammada. They are in the bliss of Brahma. They are one with the Lord. That time, Sadasi, in that circle, Kevalam only, Na Nratuhu Anganaha. There is no song, there is no music, but still they are going in circles. Nandrutuhu, they danced without any music, without any song, Angana, in circles. Then, Na Vidan, they don't know, Na Vidan, Api, Nivika. Nivika is a knot. Kimapi, of what? Kuntali, they don't know the knot of their hair, where it is. Neither of the kanchuli, neither of the blouse. Where is the hair and where is the blouse? All the knots have gone. They have untied. What all has happened in that dance? They are not knowing. Hair is somewhere, blouse is somewhere. Na vidan. They don't even know. Jyotishamapi kadambakam. Jyotishamapi kadambakam. Jyotisha, stars, their family, Divi in the sky, Vilambitam. Kim aparam bruve. What? Kim aparam bruve. What more to say? Even the stars, they stood still seeing this. Kim aparam bruve. What more to say? Everything in the Bhuvana got stunned and still and in the state of bliss. गानमीश विरतं क्रमेण किल वाद्यमेलनमुपारतं ब्रह्म सम्मदरसाकुला सदसि केवलं न नृतुरङ्गनाः नाविदन्नपि च नीविका किमपि कुन्तलीमपि च कञ्चुलीम् ज्योतिषामपि कदम्बकं दिवि विलम्बितं किमपरं ब्रुवे. Beautiful. Next. Modaseemni. Modaseemni. Moda. Happiness. Bliss. Seemni. They are at the peak of that happiness. Bhuvanam vilapya and merging. And then what has happened? Virutim samapya. And that Leela is, the Rasa Leela is samapya. That Leela is finishing, ending. And that time, Tato Vibho, that time, oh Lord, in the world, what has happened? Keli samrudita. Keli samrudita. Nirmalanga. Nava dharma. New sweat. Lesha, Subhagatmana. So this Rasalila, it's all finishing at the, and there is this fresh sweat on the body. The Leela is over, the dance and all is over, and now they are in with a fresh sweat, that kind of a body when they are, when Manmatha Sahana Chetasa. Manmatha, Kamadhan. Asahan, unable to bear Chetaha in their mind. They were not able to control the Manmatha, we say no, the Cupid's arrow. So they were so much into exalted love that they were uncontrollable. Pashupayoshitam, all the gopikas. Sukruta choditaha. Pashupayoshitam, all these gopikas. And Sukruta, they all were having such high merits. Seeing that, Maravira Paramotsavan, as if it is a great sport of love. And Adadhita, you have performed. And you have taken Tavat Akalamurti. How many gopikas are there? That many Tavat Akalamurtihi. You took so many forms. As many gopikas are there. So every gopika felt that she is special. She is with the Lord. She is with the Lord. She is with the Lord. She is with him. It's not. So Lord manifested for each of them personally. Personal darshan. Personal sparsha. Personal experience. Everybody felt that they were Lord's favorite. Everybody felt they got personal attention. So why not? Why not? So the whole world, Sakala Bhuvanam, Vilapya, it was in that state of trance. My God. Modaseemni bhuvanam vilapya virutim samapya cha tato vibho keli samridita nirmalanganava dharmalesha subhagatmanam manmatha sahana chetasam pashupayoshitam sukrita choditaha Tavada kalita murtir Tavada kalita murtiradadhita maravira paramotsavam. Such a paramotsava. Next. Then happens Keli Bheda Pari Lolitabhi. So let us see the division of the first line. Keli Bheda Pari Lolitabhi. Okay, this is one word. Parilolitabhihi. Then Visarga is gone. Balance is Ati. So Ati Lalita Hihi. Then that ra is gone, visarga has come. Again, balance is abalabhihi. Abala is a word given for women. And this is all third case plural happening. Abalabhihi by Gopikas. Huh? Keli Bheda Parilolitabhihi. So Keli Bheda is this Rasa Leela. Different Parilolitabhihi. Exhausted by that. And Atilalita Atilalita Lalana is fond. And they've been, they have been so much loved by the Lord. So they have been even, what, the small caresses. We say lalan, palan, means you are caressing, you are lovingly, and you are raising. So that lalan, ati lalita bhi, it's too much of love being offered to whom? By this abalabhi, with this gopikas. Then swairam Swairam is without any inhibition, out of control, at will, you act. When Suraja Payasi. So over here the dance is just over, but it's not, the sport is not over. In the Suraja Payasi, that means in the Yamuna water. Suraja, Yamuna's under name. Charu Nama, very Charu means beautiful. Virutim Vyadhaha. So another sport started over there in the water now. So this dance is not over yet. In the water now they started playing. Then not only that is not over. Kananepi also. Then they went deep in the forest also. And how it was in the forest? Visari spread. How? Sheetala. Very cold. Kishora Maruta. Kishora. Tender breeze. So cool, chill, tender breeze is spread in the forest. And that is how Manohara. That is captivating the mind. And Suna Saurabha. Suna Prasuna means flowers. Saurabha is fragrance. And now this flower fragrance is also spreading. Where? In that Kanana, in that forest. In that Vilesita. So, Bhagwan has gone over there also. And Vilasini Shata Vimohanam. And he has Vilasini Shata, hundreds of gopikas, Mohanam. He has encaptured them with his lovely sport. Okay, so the dance has happened in the Yamuna waters, they have played, in the forest they have played, where this beautiful light breeze is spreading the freshly bloomed night flowers. We all have some or the other pot at home. Some we have experience of Ratrani, we have experience of that Brahma Kamal, we have experience of so many different lilies that bloom only in the night. So just imagine that atmosphere, and that fragrance is getting spread, and the gopikas are enjoying with the Lord in this. Oh, Krishna, suddenly my connection disappeared. Till what have you heard?
In the 10th, we heard we got the
Heard of
explanation.
her? So this all means the atmosphere, the dance, the playful in the water, the roaming in the forest, and with the fragrant flowers. And even we have no experience of fragrant flowers. We have this Nisha Gandhi, we have this Ratrani, we have this Brahma Kamal, we have these night lilies blooming, only especially in the night, and you will get these fragrances. So just imagine that, and plus all these divinity and that atmosphere, they all are sitting and enjoying over there. Lord's presence and that full moon night and a forest, fragrances, river. Just see how it is. केली भेद परिलोलिताभिरतिलालिताभिरबलालिभिः. See that keep in mind, parilolitabhihi, atilalitabihi, abalabhihi. Svairanishanu surajapayasi charunamavirutim vyadha. काननेऽपि च विसारि शीतलकिशोरमारुतमनोहरे सून flower सूनसौरभमये विलेसितविलासिनी विमोहनम. Sorry, last but not the least. So Kamini Riti. Kamini, all the gopikas. Okay. Yaminishu. Yaminishu, Saptami. In the Yamini, night. In the night. Khalu Kamaniyaka Nidhe. Oh Lord, you are all the Kamaniyaka Nidhi. You are having all the virtues. You are the Nidhi of all the Nidhi, treasure trove of all the virtues. Oh Lord, you are all this, and with all these Kaminis, gopis on the banks in the night. Purna Sammada Rasarnava. Purna Sammada Rasa Arnava. Arnava is the ocean. And Purna Sammada, it's like a bliss, this ocean of bliss, which means we say the ocean is infinite, sky is infinite. So with the infinite bliss, Kamapi, Yogi Gamyam Anubhavayan. Some rare yogi Anubhavayan. What these gopikas got all together, it's something like a very rare experience, which is not so very easily achievable, which cannot be described also. And en masse all gopis, they got this experience, which was only limited for some rare yogi who has done all his tapas. Okay. And then, not only that, Brahma Shankara Mukhan Api. Iha. So means Brahma, Shankara, Brahma, Shiva, and all other gods also over here. Pashupanganasu. Again, towards all these gopikas, Bahumanayan. In their eyes also, gopikas earned more respect. They are devas. Okay. Yogis are getting this. Some rare yogi, not all yogis. Gopikas have got this. Seeing means Gopika's bhav and devotion is how exalted. Seeing that, experiencing, so Brahma, Shiva and all other gods also, Bahumanayan, started having great respect for the Gopikas. They developed that respect. And the last line, Bhaktaloka Gamaniya Rupa. Your Bhaktaloka Gamaniya. You are going towards who? Towards the Bhakta. Those who have the highest devotion, you go towards them. And you're this Kamaniya Rupa. You are so very attractive. Oh Krishna, Paripahimam, you protect me. Like this, as usual, Bhattatiriji requests that you protect me. कामिनीरितिः यामिनीषु खलु कामनीयकनिधे भवान् पूर्णसम्मदरसार्णवं कमपि योगि गम्यमनुभावयन् ब्रह्मशङ्करमुखानपीह पशुपाङ्गनासु बहुमानयम् भक्तलोकगमनीय रूप कमनीय कृष्ण परिपाहि माम् भक्तलोकगमनीय रूप कमनीय कृष्ण परिपाहि माम् भक्तलोकगमनीय रूप कमनीय कृष्ण परिपाहि माम् गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द गोविन्द Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste. So with this, we have beautifully covered. We have covered the beautiful Rasa Leela. Hope it stirs devotion for Lord, and we also get attached to Lord, like how Gopika's unfaltering love for Lord. May that divinity arise in us always, and may we get a strength to do this Rasa Panchadhyay very often, so that we are not away from the Lord, and it invokes that love for Lord also, so that we can feel His love. He's loving us even now, but let us also reciprocate in the same way as the Lord loves us, so that we stay in that bliss which Gopikas were staying, and which stunned the entire universe so much so that even the stars became still. So may we reach also that state. Okay, so after such a beautiful Rasalila, let's get into the 70th Dashakam. That's why I wanted to do it in the end. So, the class ends on that note. But now we'll change the mood so we don't hold the Raslila mood. It happens. So, I wanted actually to do this first, and then, you end and you remain there. Mm. So now we have to come out like this. From
We
that.
couldn't wait, Varshaji, to hear the meaning. Been waiting the whole week from you,
Yes.
from the way you explain.
Oh. Okay, let's get into this 70th Dashakam, because we have to complete today our quota. Then tomorrow onwards, we are doing Parayan on all the Tuesdays. 3 weeks are gone. Okay. In 3 weeks, we will be doing those 5 verses. Okay. Next Monday, we'll do 2. And the following Monday, we'll do 2. And the following. So that on that last Tuesday, you will get the 75. So then you will also feel, oh, 75 we have completed. Like that it will. Then only 25 to go. God. But those only 25 are the toughest ones, especially the last ones. My God. Okay. What are we going to learn now today? Sudarshana Shapa Moksha Varnana, Shankachuda Vadha Varnana, and Vrishabhasura Vadha Varnana. Okay, so many things we are going to learn. Prithvi Chandas we have done before? Yes, we have done. Anybody?
We did, I think, Kapilo, no, sorry.
Ninth Dashaka.
Srishti Varnanam,
9th Dashaka. Jagat
9th and 39.
Anybody quickly want to revise it? We have time? No, we don't
17
have.
syllables.
8 and 9.
Yeah, 17, 8 and 9. And total
any-
for verses 68 count.
Any ganas?
Yeah, ja, sa, ya, la, ya, and lagu and guru. The end.
Correct. Just a, yeah. This is the gana. And one lagu, one guru. Okay. Let us get our little child over here first. Prahlad, I've been asking you for so many weeks. And then today, when I didn't ask, Mama says, oh, he's over here. Then every week, is Prahlad here today? Is Prahlad here today? I would search you. And when I didn't search you for today, you were there. See? So, like that in life, everything is closest. When we stop that search, that it's there only like that. Okay, so let us do it. Vallabhe Vallavaha Pradam. You have to come out of that tune and come into this. Iti Tvairasakulam.
Iti tvai rasakulam.
Lakshmi ji, you can also chant with him. No problem.
इति त्वयि रसाकुलम्
Ramitavallabhe Vallavaha.
रमितवल्लभे वल्लभाः
One after another, so that the voice will come. Kadapi Puramambika Kamiturambika Kanane.
कदापि पुरम् अम्बिका कामितुरम्बिका कानने
कदापि पुरमम्बिका कमितुरम्बिका कानने
समेत्य भवता समन् निशि निषेव्य दिव्योत्सवम्
समेत्य भवता समन्निशि निषेव्य दिव्योत्सवम्
समेत्य भवता समं निशि निषेव्य दिव्योत्सवम्
सुखं सुषुपुरग्रसीद्व्रजमुपग्रनागस्तदा
सुखं सुषुपुरग्रसीद्व्रजपमुग्रनागस्तदा
सुखं सुषुपुरग्रसीत् व्रजपमुग्रनागस्तदा
Go for the 41.
इति
इति त्वयिरसाकुलम्
इति त्वयि रसाकुलं रमितवल्लभे वल्लवाः कदापि पुरमम्बिका
कदापि पुरमम्बिका कमितुरम्बिका कानने
कदापि पुरमम्बिका कमितुरम्बिका कानने
समेत्य भवता समन् निशि निषेव्य दिव्योत्सवम्
समेत्य भवता समं निशि निषेव्य दिव्योत्सवम् सुखं
सुखं सुषुपुरग्रसीत् व्रजपमुग्रनागस्तदा
सुखं सुषुपुरग्रसीत् व्रजपमुग्रनागस्तदा
लक्ष्मीजी
इति त्वयि रसाकुलं रमितवल्लभे वल्लवाः कदापि पुरमम्बिका कमितुरम्बिका कानने समेत्य भवता समं निशि निषेव्य दिव्योत्सवम् सुखं सुषुपुरग्रसीत् व्रजपमुग्रनागस्तदा
Thank you, Prahlad. Thank you, Lakshmi. So now what happens? Iti tvai, in this way, tvai, in you, rasakulam, this rasakula, this bliss of Rasa Leela was there. Ramita Vallabhe, all these gopikas were entertained. Then the Vallavas, the Gopas, what they do kadapi, once, Puram, Ambika Kamituhu. Ambika Kamituhu. Husband of Ambika. Who? Shiva. Ambika Kanane. In that forest, they went to this temple. One Shiva temple they went. Puram. Then Sametya Bhavata Samam. Sametya. When all that festival and all, when they were going to, and that Samam Nishi, in that night, Nishevya Divyotsavam, when they celebrated that festival, that temple festival they celebrated, Sushupuhu, Sushupuragrasid, Sushupuragrasid. So Sushupuhu, Sukham Sushupuhu. They were sleeping very happily. That time, Agrasid, caught by Nagaha. Who was caught by Nagaha? Vrajapam. Vrajapam is who? Nandagopa was caught by a Naga. So this night is happening like this. Rasa Leela night is happening. The Gopikas are like, the Gopas had gone once. Then after that is one story. Right? When they were sleeping, the snake has caught hold of Nandagopa. Iti tvairasakulam ramitavallabhe vallavaha kadapi puramambika kamiturambika kanane. समेत्य भवता समं निशिनिषेव्य दिव्योत्सवम् सुखं सुषुपुरग्रसीत् व्रजपमुग्रनागस्तदा. All have not come, right? No problem. Oh, sorry, others can raise hands. Lalitama. समुन्मुखमथोल्मुखैरभिहतेऽपि तस्मिन् बलात्. The ending.
समुन्मुखमथोल्मुखैरभिहतेऽपि तस्मिन् बलात्
अमुञ्चति भवत्पदे न्यपति पाहि पाहीति तैः.
अमुञ्चति भवत्पदे न्यपति पाहि पाहीति तैः
तदा खलु पदा भवान् समुपगम्य पस्पर्शतम्.
तदा खलु पदा भवान् समुपगम्य पस्पर्शतम्
बभौ स च निजान्तनुं समुपसाद्य वैद्याधरीम्.
बभौ स च निजान्तनो समुपसाद्य वैद्याधरीम् समुन्मुखमथो. Madam, once again, can you repeat it?
समुन्मुखमथोल्मुखैरभिहतेऽपि तस्मिन् बलात्.
समुन्मुखमथोन्मुखैरभिहतेऽपि तस्मिन् बलात् अमुञ्चति भवत्पदे न्यपति पाहि पाहीति तैः तदा खलु पदा भवान्
तदा खलु पदा
तदा खलु पदा भवान् समुपगम्य पस्पर्शतम् बभौ स च निजान्तनु समुपसाद्य वैद्याधरीम्.
Yeah, the tune is little different and we are in that rasa mood. So to get it, it's
the tune is
yeah, it's a matter.
Madam, can we do this Rasa Panchat in one go, in one explanation? Rasa Panchadhyayi.
Again another session. Let us complete the whole thing. After we will see.
Sure.
Because the intention now is to complete.
Yeah.
And because I got frightened with the long break I had taken. It was not happening. So any studies half left is not good.
Yeah.
So now the only focus, I'm not attending any camps, though there are camps happening. And the one that is coming, one beautiful camp is coming in June is of Bruhat Yoga Vasishta, entire Yoga Vasishta, which is not taken by anybody. But I'm not doing that. We'll just, because this is now the only thing that the text has to become. See, Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavad Puran, they are a long journey texts. But Narayaniam we should complete, not.
Okay.
So, because I cannot assure, in Singapore, I know I did only 2 work. One is going to the clinic and second is after clinic, do the class. But over here, there is entire samsara. I've become a samsari actually. From one thing, I'm slipping into the other thing. So, it has become like this on a fast track, Monday and Tuesday class and 2 to this. So that we don't miss, we should, whatever we have taken a sankalpa, it can't go endless. So after this, we'll see. I know Ras Panchadhyaya is so beautiful. That's why the other day I just gave the audio of previous Dashakam's audio. One Dashakam which takes 2-3 minutes, is still not happening. But then Rasa Panchadhyaya, somehow it has happened. Because some or the other thing, the mind gets preoccupied over here with the things that are happening around you. Singapore life was just like this. And everybody knew also that I would not come for any lunch or dinner, and nobody minded also, nor any birthday party, I would say. But over here, it's not like that. It's not that over here I go for lunch and dinner and parties. It's not that. But the life is little different. So we'll just complete what we have and then we'll do again we have to go to Ramavatar also, no? That Dashakam, it's there in my mind, which we said we'll do it, we'll come back. So that's also there in mind. This now you have added, we'll do. His willing, we will dwell in his need as he permits. Okay. Did we see the meaning? No, we didn't see the meaning. Okay. I hope we have time, no? Okay. Oh, we diverted. Let us come back on track. We have an intention to complete this Dashakam in today's session. I don't know how. Let us do it. Okay. So this, see, Samunmukha. Samunmukha is in looking at face to face. Okay. But that word we are going to take later. Ulmukaihi. Ulmukaihi is a hot burning wood. Log. Burning log. Abhihataha. So this Naga has caught hold of Nanda Baba, Nanda Gopa. Now they're sleeping over there. So naturally you will have the firewood and all kept. So they have taken the firewood and abhihataha. They were beating that snake. And Balat, and with such great force also, they were beating him so badly also, that time also, amunchati. The snake didn't leave, this Naga didn't leave the Nanda Gopa. Then these other Gopas, Bhavat Pade, to your feet, Nyapati, they came and fell. And they said, Pahi, Pahi, Kaihi, that you please protect. That time, Tada, Khalu, Pada Bhavan Samupagamya. You went to the towards that snake, and that snake, Sanmukha, that first word, that snake looked at you. And what did you do? Pada pasparsha. With your feet, you touched the snake. That time, Nijam Tanum Samupasadya Vidyadharim. So he left that root and he came back to his original form, which was a Vidyadhara. In the next this, we will come to know what curse it was. So just by Lord touching the feet of the snake, he changed. He's no more a snake now. He's a Vidyadhara. Samunmukhamatholmukairabhihatopi tasmin balat amunchati bhavatpade vyapati pahi pahi titaihi tada khalu pada bhavan samupagamya pasparshatam babhau sacha nijantanam samupasadya vaidyadhari. Number 3. Sudarshanadhara prabho nanu sudarshanakhyosmyaham.
Sudarshanadhara prabho nanu sudarshanakhyosmyaham.
Munin kvachidapahasam ta iha mam vyadhurvahasam.
Munin kvachitapahasam ta iha mam vyadhurvahasam.
Munin kvachid apahasam ta iha mam vyadhurvahasam.
You want me to repeat that again?
Yes.
Munin kvachitapahasam ta iha mam vyadhurvahasam.
Correct. Bhavatpada samarpanadamalataṅgatosmītyasau.
Bhavatpadasamarpanadamalatam gatosmityasau.
Suvan nijapadanyayau brajapadancha gopamuda.
Stuvan nijapadam yayau brajapadam cha gopamudam. Sudarshanadhara prabho nanu sudarshanakhyosmyaham. Munin kvajitapahasam ta iha mam vyadhurvahasam. Bhavatpada samarpanadamalatam gatosmityasau. स्तुवन् निजपदं ययौ वृजपदं च गोपा मुदा.
So now Vidyadhar, he is telling what had happened to him. Sudarshanadhara Prabho. Oh Prabhu, you are holding the Sudarshana. Nanu, really? Sudarshana Akhyo Asmi Aham. My name is Sudarshana. Aham Sudarshana Asmi. That is the sentence. Aham Sudarshana Akhya Asmi. They call me Sudarshana. Munin, Kvachit, once upon a time, Munin Apahasam. I made fun of some munis. Munin Apahasan. I have made fun of some sages. That's why Ihamam Vyadhuhu Vahasam. So these are the lovely words. Word play is over here. Sanskrit word play is so much. Vahasam is a python. Vyadhuhu, they made me python. I ridiculed them, Apahasam, and Vyadhuhu Vahasam. I made fun of them and they made me a python. So this word phrase we have to enjoy over here. And Bhavat Pada Samarpana, because of your touch of your feet, offering your myself to your feet. Amalatam gataha asmi iti asau. I have become amala. It has purified me. Amala. Stuvan nijapadam. And he praised Lord. And he went to his place. Vidyadhara's original place he went. And this Vrajapadam, what they did? They were happily and they came to Vrajapadas. The Gopas, they came to Vrajapada. Vidyadhara went to his place. Gopa also happily came to his place. Vidyadhara praised the Lord and he went. Gopa happily came to Vrajapada. Okay. Sudarshanadhara prabho nanu sudarshanakhyosmyaham munin kvachidapahasanta iha mam vyadhurvahasam bhavatpada samarpanadamalataṅgatosmityasau amalatam gataha asmi iti asau. So many sandhis. Stuvan nijapadanyayau vrajapadancha gopa muda. Number 4. Kadapi khalu sirina viharati tvai strijanaihi.
कदापि खलु सीरिणा विहरति त्वयि स्त्रीजनैः
जहार धन दानुगः किल शङ्खचूडो बलाः
जहार धनदानुगस्स किल शङ्खचूडो बलाः
अतिद्रुतमनुद्रुतस्तमथ मुक्तनारीजनम्
अतिद्रुतमनुद्रुतस्त्वमथ मुक्तनारीजनम्
रुरोजितशिरोमणिं हलभृते च तस्या ददाः
रुरोजिथ शिरोमणिं हलभृते च तस्माददाः कदापि खलु सीरिणा विहरति त्वयि स्त्रीजनैः जहार धनदानुगस्स किल शङ्खचूडो बलाः अतिद्रुतमनुद्रुतस्त्वमथ मुक्तनारीजनम् रुरोजिथ शिरोमणिं हलभृते च तस्माददाः.
Adadaha means adadaha means given. What we will say. Tadapi. That time, once like that, once what happened? Sirina. Sira is the plough. So Sirina, one is holder of the plough. Means who? Balramji. With Balramji. So third case. So with the Balramji, Viharati was roaming. And also with Strijanai. And also some gopikas were there. That time, Jahara, kidnap. Who? Dhanada Anugaha. Dhanada is Kubera. Anugaha, follower of Kubera. Who? By Shankar Chudane, Abalaha. He kidnapped one Abala. He kidnapped one Gopika. He kidnapped one lady. That time, Atidruta, Anudruta. Atidruta fast. Anudruta followed him. Who? Lord. Tam. Atidrutaha, Anudrutaha tam atha Muktanarijanam. So when Lord acted swiftly, out of fear, he released that woman whom he has kidnapped. Rurojitha, and Lord killed him. And his Shiromani, his jewel of the head, that gem, Halabhrutecha, to Halabhruta is Balramji. To Balram, Adadaha, you gave that he killed that Shankachuda, his jewel, Lord gave it to Balram. Kadapi khalu sirina viharati tvai strijanaihi jahara dhanadanugasakila Shankachudo balaha. Atidrutamανudrutastamatha muktanarijanam rirojitha shiromani halabhrite cha tasya dadaha. Shishnachu. Number 5. Dineshu cha surujjanai sahavaneshu leela param.
दिव्येषु च सृहजनैः सह वनेषु लीलापरम्
मनोभव मनोहरं रसितवेणुनादामृतम्
मनोभव मनोहरं रसितवेणुनादामृतम्
भवन्तममरीदृशाममृतपारणादायिनम्
भवन्तममरीदृशाममृतपारणादायिनम्
विचिन्त्य किमुनालपन् विरहतापिता गोपिकाः
विचिन्त्य किमुनालपन् विरहतापिता गोपिकाः. I think I missed the tune properly at the end.
So,
I shall try.
Yeah, start from Dineshu. You will get it.
दिव्येषु च सृहजनैः सह वनेषु लीलापरम् मनोभव मनोहरं रसितवेणुनादामृतम् भवन्तममरीदृशाममृतपारणादायिनम् विचिन्त्य किमुनालपन् विरहतापिता गोपिकाः.
The natural pitch is so high. Okay. So Dineshu, in the daytime, Surujjanai Saha, with the friends, Vaneshu Leela Param. In the forest, Lord is going in the forest. Then Manobhava Manoharam. Manobhava is our Kamadeva. Manoharam. Lord is more love enchanting than the God of love himself. So Manobhava Manoharam, and he captivates the mind. And how is Lord? Rasita Venu Nadamritam. He fills the air with his Venu Nada. And how it is not only simple, it is nectar. That's Lord's Venu Nada is like a nectar. Rasita Venu Nada Amrutam. Then Bhavantam Amaridrisham. Even the Apsaras, Amaridrisha. Amaridrisha, Amruta Parana. Even for them, the Lord is like a nectar. They are already in the Svarga, but on the earth, their eyes are. What Lord is doing, what is he playing? They are in the Svarga already. But from there also, they are enjoying this on the earth that is happening. But Gopikas who are at home, no? How are they? Viraha tapita. Lord has gone with the cattle to the forest. Gopika. So viraha, with that separation, they are tapita. That distress, that separation pang also they cannot bear. And vichintya, thinking that kimu, na alapan. What all lamentations they have not done. And thinking of you. So many things are happening out over there, but over here in their heart, they are missing the Lord is going to come back in the evening. They're going to be with the Lord again. But that separation also they cannot tolerate, in that what all they have said and what all they have done, what all not they have said and not done. So Kimuna Alapan. दिनेषु च सुहृज्जनैः सह वनेषु लीलापरम् मनोभव मनोहरं रसितवेणुनादामृतम् भवन्तममरीदृशाममृतपारणादायिनम् विचिन्त्य किमुनालपन् विरहतापिता गोपिकाः. Okay, so now a new thing is coming, new Chandas, Swagat has come. We have not done that before. Quickly, I will say, not wasting time because we don't have much time. It's already time up. Swagat is of 11 syllables and 1, 3, 7, 10, 11 are Guru. 1, 3, 7, 10, 11 are Guru. Who is coming? Lataji. We have time only for next 15 minutes. We'll try to complete. Okay, 5 verses we have to complete. Bhojaraj bhrutakas-tvath kaschit.
भोजराज भृतकस्त्वथ कश्चित्
कष्टदुष्टपथदृष्टिररिष्टः
कष्टदुष्टपथदृष्टिररिष्टः
निष्ठुराकृतिरपष्ठुनिनादः
निष्ठुराकृतिरपष्ठुनिनादः
तिष्ठते स्म भवते वृषरूपी
तिष्ठते स्म भवते वृषरूपी भोजराज भृतकस्त्वथ कश्चित् कष्टदुष्टपथदृष्टिररिष्टः निष्ठुराकृतिरपष्टुनिनादः तिष्ठते स्म भवते वृषरूपी.
So now another Leela is coming. 1 minute. So Bhojaraja Bhruta. Bhojaraja Bhrutakaha. Bhrutakaha is a servant of Bhojaraja, Kamsa. So once upon what has happened, this Bhojaraja Bhrutakaha, the servant of Kamsa, Kaschit, one time, Kashta Dushta Patha Drushtihi, Kashta Dushta Patha Drushtihi. So, Patha Drushti, eyes, his Drushti is on what Patha? His Drishti is on the Kashta Dushta Patha. Means his eyesight is only on the bad things, in evil things, on cruel path. He is on cruel path. Who? This Bhojaraja Bhrutakaha. And then, that word is then Arishtaha. Arishtaha, so Kaschit. So one Arishta, one Asura, some Asura, his name is Arishta. So, how he was? He Nishthura Akruti. Nishthura Akruti means very bad Akruti. Very fearsome Akruti he has. A roop, this Arishta. Then what he did? Apashtu Ninadaha. Apashtu means Ninada, his voice, he fiercely started roaring. And then Vrisharupi sma bhavate tishthate. Bhavate, before you, tishthate. He came in the form of Vrisharupi. Vrisharupi in the form of a bull. And he stood in front of the Lord. Okay. So this Arishta is this Asura, and he's the Kamsa's servant. He rode fiercely and he came and stood in front of Lord in the form of bull. Okay? Bhojaraja bhrutakastvata kaschit kashta dushta patha drushtirarishtaha nishthurakrutira pashthuni nadaha. Tishthate sma bhavate vrusharupi. All have to practice this verse. Lot of prakaras and thakaras. So murdhani sound. That means the tongue has to touch each time to the roof of the palate. If it doesn't touch over there, this verse will not come correctly. So mark this and keep for pronunciation's sake of prakaras. Radha Krishna ji. Number 7. Sha. I'm not seeing. Is it Chara or Vara? Chara. Shakcharoth jagati dhritihari.
Shakwaro, it is Shakwa.
Chara,
Shakwa,
Chara, Chara.
Shakwarotha
Chara,
Jagadi.
Chara. Shakchara.
Shakchara.
It's Vara? Let me just take a picture and enlarge it with my specs also. I don't see. I'm sorry. Give me a minute.
Ma'am, it is Vara.
I had a doubt, but now I'm going to. Yeah, it's Vara. The condition of the eyes is not good. Okay. Sorry, Radha Krishnan ji. Shakvarotha jagati dhritihari.
Shakwarotha Jagadi Dhritihari.
Murtimesha bruhatim pradadhanaha.
Murtimesha Brihadim Pradadhanaha.
Panktimashu parighurnya pashunam.
Panktimashu Parikurnya Pashunam.
Chandasanidhimavapa bhavantam.
Chantasannidhimavapa bhavantam. Shakwarotha Jagadi Dhritihari. Murtimesha Brihadim Pradadhanaha. Panktimashu Parikurnya Pashunam. Chantasannidhimavapa bhavantam.
Thank you, Radha Krishna. So this Shakvaraha, this Shakvara means this bull, means this Arishta, means that Kamsa's servant. Okay. Jagati Dhritihari. Jagata, to the whole world, he was frightening of. Okay. And Murti Mesha, Bruhatim Pradadhanaha. He took his form, Bruhati, very big form he took. And Panktimashu Parighurnya Pashunam. The cow herds are there, right? So Pashunam Panktim, the rows of, So the rows of all the cows, he was Parighurnya. He was driving them away. Chandasam nidhimavapa bhavantam. You are, means the Lord is, and he comes to avapa, he comes to you. And how is you Lord, how you are? Chandasam nidhi, of all the chandas, you are the nidhi. You are the treasure trove of all the chandas. Now why it is said like this? Because what we have to understand, Shakchara we understood as bull. But Shakvara we understood as bull. But Shakvara is a name of one chandas. Jagati Dhritihari we understood as frightening the world, Jagati. But Jagati is also a name of a chandas. Then Dhriti is also a name of a chandas. Brihati is also a name of a chandas. And Pankti is also a name of a chandas. So, in the line they said that he took a big form and he was driving away the cows. But Bhattatiri ji has used Sanskrit words of some chandas, that this Asura knew these 5 chandas. The one who is having the knowledge of 5 chandas has approached who? Chandasam Nidhimavapa. He's come to who is the Nidhi treasure trove of all the chandas, to him he has approached. With our little knowledge, we are some glowworm and we talk so much, no? So it is our reflection. The Asuras are not Asuras also look like us only. We have all these bhavas inside us. No? Something little we'll know and we will talk too much. Correct? Like might lose little knowledge and holding the class so many times, I feel. Anyways, so like this. So this is the play of the words of he's having this, he's knowing these 5 chandas and he's approaching the one who is the holder of all the chandas, not just the knower of all the chandas. शाक्वरोऽथ जगती धृतिहारी मूर्तिमेष बृहतीं प्रदधानः पङ्क्तिमाशु परिघूर्ण्य पशूनां छन्दसान्निधिमवाप भवन्तम्. ललिता Number 8. तुङ्गशृङ्गमुखमाश्वभियन्तम् तुङ्गशृङ्गमुखमाश्वभियन्तम्
तुङ्गशृङ्गमुखमाश्वभियन्तम्
सङ्गृह्य रभसादभियन्तम्
सङ्गृह्य रभसादभियन्तम्
भद्ररूपमपि दैत्यमभद्रम्
भद्ररूपमपि दैत्यमभद्रम्
मर्दयन्नमदयः सुरलोकम्.
तुङ्गशृङ्गमुखमाश्वभियन्तम् सङ्गृह्य रभसादभियन्तम् भद्ररूपमपि दैत्यमभद्रम् मर्दयन्नमदयः सुरलोकम्.
Thank you, Lalita. So, Tunga, Shrunga, Mukham. Shrunga horns, Mukham face, Tunga raising his head and the horn. Ashvabhiyantam, Ashu Abhiyantam, running very fast towards the Lord. What did Lord do? Sangruhaya, caught hold of him. Rabhasat. Rabhasat means with a great force. Abhiyam, without fear. Abhiyam, without bhaya. Abhiyam, without fear. Tam, to him. Caught hold of tam means that asura. Bhadra rupam api, though his Bhadra. So Bhadra means auspicious and Bhadra means also bull. Though he is in the auspicious form or though he is in the bull form, this Daitya is Abhadra. He is unauspicious. And what did Lord do to him? Mardayan. Amadayaha Sura Lokam. And Mardayan. Lord did nicely Mardayan. Lord made chutney out of it. He crushed him. And this Suralokam, Amadayaha. Those Suralokas, all the gods became happy. Tunga Shringa Mukhamashvabhiyantam Sangruhya Rabhasadabhiyantam. Rabhasat Abhiyam Bhadrarupamapi Daityamabhadram Mardayannamadaya Suralokam. Mardayan Amadayaha. Sahana. Number 9. Chitramadya Bhagavan Vrushghata.
चित्रमद्य भगवन् वृषघातात्
Susthirajani Vrushaस्थितिरुर्व्याम्.
सुस्थिराजनिवृषस्थितिर्व्याम्
Vardhate cha Vrushachetasि Bhuyan.
वर्धते च वृषचेतसि भूयान्
Modaityabhinutosि Suraistvam.
मोद इत्यभिनुतोऽसि सुरैस्त्वम् चित्रमद्य भगवन् वृषघातात् सुस्थिराजनिवृषस्थितिरुर्व्याम् वर्धते च वृषचेतसि भूयान् मोद इत्यभिनुतोऽसि सुरैस्त्वम्.
So this is also, sorry. You lower your hand, you go below, then I have to set your name to. So now Chitramadhya. Chitram is a wonder. What a wonder, Adya. What a wonder this is today. Bhagavan, oh Bhagavan, today. What a wonder this is. Vrishaghatat. Vrishaghatat. Ghata, killing. Killing of the bull. Susthira ajani. Huh? Susthira. Sthira, stability. Ajani. What? Vrusha-sthiti urvyam. Vrusha-sthiti. Vrusha-sthiti is dharma sthiti urvyam, on the earth. There is a stability and there is Vrusha-sthiti. Dharma position is susthiti, very strong dharma. Not only that, vardhate cha vrusha-chetasi. Vrusha-chetasi, in the mind of Indra, bhuyan moda. So much happiness. Vardhate. Iti abhinutasi suraihi tvam. Abhinutaha, God's praised. Suraihi tvam. Like this, God's praised. So now this vrusha word, vrusha as a bull. Vrusha ghatat. Vrusha sthiti. Vrusha as a dharma. And vrusha chetasi. Vrusha as a Indra. Same word, vrusha. Again, Bhattatariji's Sanskrit knowledge and this expertise, it's like mind-blowing how he has used the, it sounds repetition, alliteration, see, that figures of speech is something that we should enjoy and bring our attention to it and get the meaning. Remember the meaning while chanting it, and that shakara again is going to come. And this is such a big wonder, Bhagavan, that, all this has happened. Chitra. Chitramadhya Bhagavan Vrusha-ghatat Susthirajani Vrusha-sthitiruvyam Vardhate cha Vrusha-chetasi bhuyan Modaityabhinutosi suraistvam. Somebody in Delhi Gita say that we are about 7 minutes late. Oh, this is the last verse only. Yeah, we'll take 5 minutes now. So, Shnaji. Aukshakani paridhavata duram.
Aukshakani paridhavata duram.
Vikshatamayamihoksha vibhedi.
Vikshyatamaya-mihoksha vibhedi.
Ikkhamattah sitai saha gopaihi.
Itthamatah sitai saha gopaihi.
Gehagastvam puresha.
Gehagastvam puresha. Aukshakani paridhavata duram. Vikshyatamaya-mihoksha vibhedi. Itthamatah sitai saha gopaihi. Gehagastvam puresha.
Very
Sada.
funny. Say it's complete.
सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्दनाम संकीर्तनम् गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिल गुरु भगवन् नमस्ते.
So very nice fun is happening over here. Aukshakani. Aukshakani is addressed to the bulls. O herd of bulls, Aukshakani. O herd of bulls. Paridhavata duram. Run far away, run far away. Vikshatam. See over here. Ayam, this one. Iha. Uksha vibhedi. Over here, pointing it to Krishna. The Gopas are pointing it to Krishna and telling the cows and the bulls in the cows, oh cow, oh bulls, run away far. Over here, Vikshatam, see over here. He is Ukshabhedi, he is the killer of the bulls. And Itthamathasite, and they were laughing. That bull is killed, no? So over here all the bulls are there. So these Gopa boys are telling the bulls over there, "Ye, run far away from him. He's the one who is killing the bulls and all." So like that, hasitaihi, happily, they were making fun. And this Gopaihi with Gehagaha Tvam, you went with the Gopais making fun and laughing like this. You went home. Ava Vatapuresha. Where is the word? Gopaihi Gehagaha Tvam. Then what is remaining is Ava. Ava is Pahi. Protect me. O Vatapuresha Guruvayurappa. So Bhattatariji has not missed. He has said that. Gopai Gehagavas Tvam Ava. So in that Ava word, protect me has come. We have now this in Ganapati Atharvasha. Avatvamma, Avavaktaram. So we have this Ava. We have gone through this word. Ava means protect. So he has prayed as usual until and concluded this Dashakam. औक्षतानि परिधावत दूरं वीक्षतामयमिहोक्ष विभेदी इत्थमात्तः सितैः सह गोपैः गेहगस्त्वमववात पुरेश सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा नारायणा अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. With his blessings, we have completed this also Dashakam beautiful. We have nicely poised ourselves at 70 Dashakams. Tomorrow onwards, our Parayan starts. Maybe just soak in the bliss of Narayana, not just the Rasa Leela, the bliss of Narayana, the knowledge of Sanskrit, the beauty of the verses, everything about it, the devotion that it comes in. And 18,000 of Bhagavad Mahapuran, God alone knows when we would complete, get a chance to read or attend Saptahas and be fluent in those shlokas to chant. But it is the crux of the Bhagavad. Narayanan is the crux of all the Bhagavad Mahapuran. And if you have S.N. Shastriji, whenever we are doing a Dashakam, he will tell from which portion of Bhagavatam it is going to come. So he will give the verses number also. So it is as good as chanting the Bhagavatam. So may we hold a Narayanam most dear in our daily reading and most dear to us, most regular, most consistent, most thing for the bhakti. So from every angle, from Vedanta, from bhakti, from every side, it's so rich. It's like loaded inside. Maybe just keep on sucking its juice, never ending infinite juice, and remain at the feet of the Lord, with the Lord, or emerge in the Lord, in whichever bhav, at whatever level our mental texture carries us, let us remain in that bhav. Tomorrow we'll meet for doing the Parayan. If any doubts are there, please message me. Sometimes in the class like this, now we are running against the time, each time borrowing this time, that time, and somehow we are doing it. May Lord sail us through this and let us soon meet on Guruvayur. Let us all have that same prayer. All of you are coming from US, UK, Singapore, and different parts of India, Malaysia. May everything be so smooth that everybody can join in Guruvayur as soon as we
We are
complete.
blessed to get you as a teacher, basically.
Insignificant
Really.
glow up like
Really.
that. No, it just came, no, that very little to be known and then talking too much. Ravanasura. Okay, so let's end today's session and run to Devi Gita. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om, everyone. Thank you for
Hari Om.
joining. See you all tomorrow.
Hari Om,
Thank you.
Varshaji. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hari Om. Thank you,
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Namaste.
Varshaji.
Hari Om. Thank
We are
you.
still in that mood, Varshaji. We have not come out. That Rasalila. Yeah.
I wanted that at the end and the chapter first. This.
Thank
But
you.
anyways, it is all the Lord's will. He makes it happen all at appropriate time in the appropriate way. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Some
Thank you,
of the other
Varshaji.
dashakams we should memorize. Thank you, Jay. Some we should take it. Something we have to choose our favorite, where our heart is staying more longer. We should take those dashakams and we should take it to memorize. It should come in our chanting. Like simply, we just sing some movie songs so easily, right? It is by listening only we have learned. Sometimes those Urdu word meanings we don't even know. But the song is there on the tongue. Okay. Like that, if we memorize this, then we will be able to hum here and there. Then it will be a part of us. Somewhere, not all the shakams, where your heart relates. So like that, you take one or two where your heart relates, take such dashakams to memorize. It will be very beautiful. It will come.
Ma'am, just to
Hari-
confirm, tomorrow it's 5:30 India time, right? For the
5 o'clock.
Parayana. 5.
5 o'clock.
And we have
5.
to dress up in traditional way, an altar and
If it is
everything.
done, it is for the
Okay.
Lord. Yes, please, with the
Yes.
altar and all. Yes.
Right. All right.
Because 25 dashakams, Sushmaji, we have to finish 25 in 1 hour. It will not. So 5 to 6:30. It will comfortably finish.
It's just that, I I get confused with the timings and I have to just go back with the UK time. So that's why I was just confirming. It's 5 o'clock, no
So
problem.
it's there
Thank
in
you.
our, when I put the link in that, I have said 5 o'clock, Monday and Tuesday. I've hijacked the time, I've hijacked the day. The only purpose is to complete our beautiful scripture. Chalo, let's leave for daily Gita because we are holding them. Hari Om, everyone. Thank you.
Yes.
Hari Om, Namaste.
Hari Om, Hari Om.
Hari Om,